Good morning, YouTubers. So today is Saturday. I have today, tomorrow, Sunday, and then Monday morning we have to be at the airport at 4:30 in the morning to fly out to Hawaii. So I'm trying to get everything packed and ready. I don't even know how much our backpacks weigh. We're only supposed to be up to I think 23 pounds for the backpacks for carry-on, and then our personal carry-on as well. So I have this huge mess going on trying to organize everything. And yeah, so I'm going to show you what everything looks like in the hotel room we're at. So starting over here, I have all my meds bagged up and my nebulizer machine with the tubing and stuff. There's my sunglasses. Shadoe has his methadone medication in here. Yeah, he's on methadone. Change that needs to go in my purse. We just got this for him, which he just used. He needs to wash it. So nasty. Here's all his stuff. He's got to organize his backpack still. I'm not doing it. And then here's my bag, my 50-liter bag. I'm starting to get it organized, and this is what I'm going to be wearing on the plane. My leggings, my flannel shirt with a t-shirt under it, and then my raincoat because it's bulky and I don't want it in my bag. And then this is my underwear, socks, swimsuits, all in here. I have some jewelry in there too. And then this is my tote. So this is going to be for my personal carry-on. And yeah, got a lot of stuff in there. And that's how I woke up this morning. Messy ass bed. And then we got a drone we're trying to sell because it's actually too big for our backpacks. Let me get a better view. So that's what that is. But I don't know. We still might end up taking it. I'm not 100% sure what we're going to do yet. Because Shadoe still needs a personal carry-on bag. So that might go in it or not. I don't know. We got to figure this out today. And then I bought a Nikon camera for vlogging, and I got an Apple Mac Pro that I bought. Also, I need to get this into a shop and get it updated and stuff. And then there's the battery charger, the battery for the camera. So that's all. These two are going in my backpack. Well, actually, no, that I'm going to be carrying because we're going to be vlogging on there. Yeah, so I don't know. I got a lot to do. I washed some of my clothes by hand just to save a little bit on money. Not like it's much to do laundry, but also the hotel we're staying at, their wash machine broke. So I have a shirt hanging up in the closet to dry. Yeah, so, and then Shadoe's clothes he needs to wash. I'm not doing his stuff. And yeah, so I'm kind of getting stressed out on the rest of the things we have to do. So today I'm going to go meet Torrid at Love and Hate Tattoo Shop in Phoenix. He did my nose piercing right there. And so I got to get that checked up and make sure it's healed, and get the ring switched out because it's a stud. And then buy a loop, so an actual ring is what I'm going to get. And then we're going to go to Tempe Marketplace today. It's an outdoor shopping mall area. So I just walked by the hotel room window. And yeah, so I have the window open for natural light. And so, because it's Cinco de Mayo today, so we're going to celebrate there. I want some tacos and a beer, so we're going to do that. And then I got to buy Shadoe tennis shoes, and I need a new pair of flip-flops since my Nike ones busted out on me the other day. And then Shadoe needs another pair of flip-flops too. So we're going to do that. And yeah, so getting excited. We're going to Maui. And we know that there's a volcano that erupted on the big island, Hawaii, which is really devastating to hundreds of people there. There's a lot of people without power, I guess, and a lot of people had to you know, move locations, pretty much evacuate, as well as there's been a lot of earthquakes there, and I guess they've been able to feel it all the way from the big island Hawaii all the way to Oahu. So I'm hoping when we get there that things calm down, and if they don't, then it is what it is. So we'll just see how the trip goes after we get there. But I did call Hawaiian Airlines and found out that our flight's good to go still on Monday, and they reassured us that if anything happens, they'll cover everything, and yeah, so it would be good on that. So yeah, so I'm just waking up, took a shower, braided my hair, got ready, and trying to get this day going. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up and the bell, and stay tuned for more. Bye. Last look of the hotel room. Sloppy, sloppy mess. Bye.